Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Islah23 binti Johari. My matrix number is L2 ABS30903 and today my group will be presenting about Malaysian Takaful Association, or also known as MTA. For starters, let me briefly introduce you to MTA. So, MTA is a trade association representing all licensed takaful and retakaful operators in Malaysia. For an association, of course, it will have objectives as well. These are MTA's main objectives. First, promoting members' interests. Second, implementing self-regulation. Third, enhancing public awareness. Fourth, supporting authorities. And lastly, strengthening agent professionalism.
Today, I would like to introduce the Malaysian Takaful Association, or MTA. MTA was established on 29 November 2002 under the Society Act 1966. It was established to serve as a trade association representing the interests of the takaful industry in Malaysia. Currently, MTA represents 90 licensed takaful and retakaful operators in the country. Its main role to promote and protect the interests of its members while supporting the continuous development of the takaful industry. One of the MTA's main objectives is to promote and protect the interests of its members. At the same time, MTA plays an important role in encouraging self-regulation, professionalism, and good practice within the takaful industry. MTA also acts as a collective voice for the industry when working regulators, government agencies, and other stakeholders. MTA contributes to the development, sustainability, and growth of the takaful industry in Malaysia, while helping to strengthen public confidence in takaful.
My name is Syamidini bin Saiful Isam. My number matrix A25A4981. Today, I want to briefly explain about the vision, strategic objective, and code of ethics of the Malaysian Takaful Association, or that we call MTA. MTA vision is to achieve a future takaful landscape by creating real value for the industry, community, and country, while ensuring every aspect is guided by the principle of Makasih Syariah. To achieve the vision, MTA introduced the 2022-2023 reform plan known as Islah23, which focused on four main objectives: boosting MTA visibility, prioritizing good governance, improving operational efficiency, ensuring long-term sustainability. MTA also have a code of ethics covering four areas: governance and compliance, representation and limit, professional conduct, and core value and discipline. Overall, these guidelines encourage takaful intermediaries to act professionally, honestly, fairly, and transparently while ensuring compliance with Islamic principles and regulations. Now, we will go to the next slide.
I would like to explain the function of MTA in industry representation. First, MTA represents the voice of takaful industry. It communicates the needs, concerns, and views of takaful operators to relevant stakeholders. Second, MTA serves as liaison between the industry and regulators. This helps to create better communication and cooperation between the takaful operators and regulatory authorities. The third one is MTA provide the feedbacks on policies and regulations. It gives the industry's views on proposed policies to ensure that regulations are practical and suitable for the takaful industry. Lastly, MTA coordinates the industry position. This means MTA helps takaful operators to have a common and united position when dealing with important industry matters. In conclusion, MTA plays an important role in representing, coordinating, and strengthening the takaful industry. Thank you.
Okay, for this slide, I will explain the three main functions of MTA in the Takaful Basic Examination, also known as TBE. First of all, MTA developed the examination syllabus. MTA prepare and regularly update the TBE syllabus to make sure that the topics are relevant to the current needs and development in the takaful industry. Second, MTA set the examination standard. MTA provide guidelines and standard to ensure that examination is conducted fairly and consistently. This also help to maintain the quality and credibility of the TBE. Lastly, MTA oversees the implementation of TBE. This means MTA monitor the examination process to ensure that it is properly administered, fair and effective for all candidates. Overall, MTA play an important role in ensuring that the Takaful Basic Examination is relevant, reliable and conducted according to proper standard. This help prepare individuals with the basic knowledge needs before starting their career as a Takaful agent.
Moving on, I'll be talking about the relationship between MTA and BNM. First is a structure of regulators and industry associations. BNM acts as supreme regulatory body, while MTA is the trade associations representing or licensed Takaful operators. Next, it's industry self-regulation. BNM mandates MTA to lead and oversee self-regulation among its members. Next, their relationship is very essential for national strategy alignment. This is because MTA aligns its industry actions plan such as the Hijrah27 framework with the financial sector blueprint set by BNM. Lastly, it's for communication and negotiation skills. MTA acts as an official bridge to voice the views, feedback and interests. That will be all from me. Thank you.
Amalin binti Sabran Mulisi, number metric A25A4995. I will explain the strategic initiative of MTA. First is enhancing public awareness. This can be done through nationwide education campaign, seminars, social media, and community programs. Second is strengthening professional standards. Takaful agents should receive continuous training and certification to ensure ethical conduct and provide quality customer service. Next is supporting digital transformation. Takaful operators should adopt mobile application, online services, and digital claims processing to provide faster and more convenient services to customers. Lastly, promoting industry collaboration is important. Takaful operators can work together with Bank Negara Malaysia, regulators, and financial institutions to share best practices and solve industry challenges. Overall, this initiative can strengthen the Takaful industry and improve customer trust and service quality.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Zuhar Aiman bin Muhammad Izam. My number batik is A25A4689. Today, I will be presenting the challenge and future outlook of Bank Islam in relation to Takaful and Islamic finance. Let us begin with the challenge. Firstly, there is the issue of low public literacy. Many Malaysians still confused Takaful with conventional insurance, which creates misunderstanding about the uniqueness of Islamic financial product. Secondly, Bank Islam face strong competition because conventional insurance products are more popular, heavily marketed, and often perceived as easier to access. Thirdly, the bank must deal with rising operational costs, especially due to global uncertainties and inflation, which increase pressure on providers to remain efficient while still offering affordable coverage. Another challenge is the innovation gap. Customers today expect creative solutions such as digital takaful, micro takaful, and flexible online service, but the industry has not fully met this expectation. Finally, there is the challenge of your awareness. Many younger Malaysians, including students and young professionals, often see takaful as expensive or irrelevant, which limits future growth. Now, let us move to the future outlook of Bank Islam. The Bank Islam actively pursuing digital transformation, introducing mobile application, online platform, and insider solution to make takaful more accessible and user-friendly. It is also developing micro takaful and youth-friendly product designed to provide affordable coverage for students, young workers, and the B40 group. On a broader scale, Bank Islam is strengthening regional and global collaboration, building international partnership to enhance competitiveness and share expertise. To address literacy issue, the bank is investing in public awareness campaigns, using education programs and social media outreach to improve understanding among Malaysians. Guided by the industry roadmap known as Hijrah27, Bank Islam is focusing on innovation, digitalization, and financial inclusion, with the aim of making takaful the preferred choice for society. Lastly, the Bank Islam promoting hibah adoption, encouraging hibah as a practical wealth protection solution for Muslim families, ensuring that financial planning remains Sharia compliant and social responsible.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazir Aiman Saleh, card matrix number A25A4650. Today, I'm gonna tell you about our reflection for this assignment. For our reflection, we learn more about the role of the Malaysia Takaful Association or MTA in developing and regulating the takaful industry in Malaysia. We also realize that MTA does not only represent takaful operators but also works closely with Bank Negara Malaysia. Lastly, we learn the importance of talent development in the takaful industry, especially through the Takaful Basic Examination, which helps prepare individuals with the basic knowledge and skill needed in the industry. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Putri Nafara Natasha binti Johan and my metric number is A25A4740. Now, I would like to share our group's opinion about MTA. In our opinions, MTA plays an important role in the growth and sustainability of Malaysia's takaful industry. It also helps to strengthen public trust by promoting ethical practice and Sharia compliance. However, we believe that more effort should be made to promote digital takaful service and increase the public awareness, especially among the younger people. We also believe that affordable and innovative products are important to meet customers' changing needs. Overall, continuous improvement is necessary to ensure that the takaful industry remains strong and competitive in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.
And my name is Noor Shafawati. So lastly, I would like to conclude and summarize my team's explanation about MTA. Firstly, MTA acts as the official representative for all 19 licensed takaful and real takaful operators in Malaysia. Next, MTA is also the guardian of ethics, making sure everyone follow high professional standard. MTA also drives talent development, producing knowledgeable agents through the Takaful Basic Exam TBE. In addition, it also serves as the main connector with the Bank Negara Malaysia to align policies and share industry feedback. And for the future direction, MTA is committed to digital transformation and inclusive financial growth through the Hijrah27 plan. In short, MTA is the backbone that keeps the takaful industry strong, ethical, and moving forward. That's all from our group. Thank you.